Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. This is your how-to guide to plants that handle Canadian Zone 5 and thrive in hot, dry gardens. Right then, let's get into it. If you're anything like me, you want color, life and zero faff. But some spots are baked all summer and parched as anything. And Zone 5 means proper cold winters too, so toughness matters. Don't fight your sight, work with it. Pick the right plants for the right place. Number 8. Sedum, aka stonecrop, the little camels of the plant world. Succulent water-storing leaves shrug off drought and poor soil. Ground covers or upright forms, late summer flowers pull in pollinators. Tip: don't overwater and don't pamper. Lean soil keeps them happiest. Number 7. Lavender. Iconic scent, silvery mounds, purple spikes. Give it sun and sharp drainage, no wet feet. Tip: prune right after bloom to keep it compact and youthful. Number 6. Yarrow. Built for tough, thin soils and blazing sun. Flat-topped flowers in bold colors bring that meadow vibe. Tip: deadhead and it'll keep pumping out flowers. Number 5. Russian sage. Clouds of lavender blue on silvery stems. Thrives in heat, drought and poor soil. Proper showstopper. Tip: in early spring, cut to about 6 inches for strong new growth. So far, sedum, lavender, yarrow and Russian sage. Tough, beautiful, easy. Ready for the top 4? Let's keep rolling. Zone 5, proof and hose pipe light. That's the brief. Number 4, catmint. Every garden's MVP for color with no drama. Long bloom time, bee magnet, and heat hardy. Tip: after the first flush, cut it back by half for an encore show. Number 3, blanket flower. Pure summer confetti. Loves heat, poor soil, and keeps blooming with minimal water. Tip: deadhead to extend the fireworks right into autumn. Number 2, penstemon. Statuesque spikes with foxglove-like tubes. Plenty of hardy choices for Zone 5, and hummingbirds adore them. Tip: sharp drainage is everything. Add gravel or coarse sand. Number 1, ornamental grasses, the backbone of a modern low-care garden. They bring texture, movement, and 4-season interest. From spring structure to autumn glow, they carry the show. Even in winter, leave them standing for stunning silhouettes. Tip: late winter, cut old foliage to a few inches. Done. Pick a spot with 6+ hours of sun and make sure water drains away. Heavy clay. Don't add rich compost. Open it up with grit, sand and gravel. Group plants in 3s, 5s or 7s for natural impact. Water regularly the first season so roots run deep. After year 1, only water in extended droughts. Use gravel or small stone mulch to cool soil and suppress weeds. Keep mulch off the plant crowns to prevent rot. Layer low sedums and catmint up front, penstemon and sage mid, grasses as the backdrop. Add a few boulders or a winding path for structure and flow. 8 drought legends for Zone 5. Color, texture, life, without the daily hose.